Yep, don't kill those. They're good insects, right? All right, let's take a look at Seattle. What a gorgeous day. Stephen Kilbreath joins us now with a look at weather. Stephen, I don't think October gets much better than days like this out there.
No, I mean, it's a great day out there, that's for sure. We're seeing some more sunshine, and we're going to see some more sunshine tomorrow for you as well before the rain comes in. So that's the good news here, that we're going to have another sunny day out there. Let's take a look outside right now and see what's going on in the city of Seattle. And you can see our outside from our rooftop camera right now. It's looking pretty nice. 72 degrees in Seattle, so even warmer than it was yesterday at this time. So that's good news. Current temperatures throughout the region: 72 in Renton, 66 Tacoma, 72 Chehalis, 68 in Hoquiam. So just another gorgeous day. How much warmer is it than yesterday at this time? Well, here's the chart. 6 degrees warmer in Seattle right now than it was yesterday at this time. We're 3 degrees warmer in Tacoma, and you can see across the board it is certainly a warmer day. Tonight we're going to have some patchy fog after midnight, otherwise mostly clear. Temperatures are going to be in the 50s overnight with your sunset at 6:37, so it'll be a little warmer overnight. Tomorrow's Puget Sound forecast will be in the 60s, morning fog, partly sunny skies with your sunrise at 7:18 a.m. Your headlines: one more day like today. The rain returns late in the week. An unseasonably cool weekend is ahead with temperatures in the mid-50s. Here's a look at our current air quality, and you can see a couple of dots of moderate. Everywhere else is good, and visibility is good throughout the region as well, as we see here with this map. Let's take a look at highs today throughout the western part of our region. 86 LA, 80 in Great Falls, and 81 in Salt Lake City. We're also following Delta, which you can see right now. It is moving along here and should make landfall at about 125 miles an hour. That should happen Friday morning our time. So you can follow the track there of Delta, which is right now outside of Cozumel. Of course, that could change as we get later on in the week. Here's our radar over the last few hours. Nothing much to watch on there, but our future cast, we do have some things to watch here as we go through tonight and tomorrow. And you can see by Thursday at noon, you can see it could be some showers on Thursday at noon, and then as we hit Friday, of course, it's going to get pretty wet late in the afternoon. And then Saturday, boy, look at that. That's a lot of green on our map for the entire day of Friday, and rain at times as we head on into the weekend as well. Now let's take a look at the extended forecast we have for you, and it's going to be, well, the computer, there we go. Morning clouds and partly cloudy skies, and a high of 68 tomorrow. 65 on Thursday with a chance of showers late in the day. Increasing rain on Friday, and 63. And then you can see those temperatures are going to be in the 50s as we head on into the weekend and early next week. Mark and Jessica.
Okay, Stephen, thank you.